When assessing respirations, one other thing I'm looking for is the respiratory rate of my patient. The average respiratory rate for an adult would be 12 to 20 breaths per minute. So you would watch somebody breathe and use a watch with a second hand to time them. If they are outside of that range, if they have a slow breathing rate under 12, that could be concerning. Why is their breathing rate so low? And if they had a high breathing rate, that is also very concerning. Although it can be normal, particularly in the elderly population, to have a breathing rate of up to about 25 or 26. Another thing I'm looking for when I'm assessing my patient is, do they have a cough? And if they do, what type of cough is it? Is it a wet cough? Is it a dry cough? Is it a productive cough? Are they bringing up mucus? And what color is that mucus and how much of it are they bringing up? If they're bringing up a yellow mucus, it could be a sign or a symptom of an infection.